reason those phrases make sense is because they're locked deeply into this underlying structure of imagination. And well, those are the archetypal structures according to Jung. And I think that he's, as far as I can tell, he's dead accurate. And I think we understand the biology of such things much better than we did. So there's more representations. She's quite the friendly creature. That's Kelly. I like this representation better. Those are heads, by the way, and hands. So she sort of represents, well, very complex thing. She represents death. She represents transformation. In this, I really like this representation. I think it's brilliant. So imagine that what the people were doing who formulated these representations, what they were trying to do was to make a representation of the domain of threat itself, right? So that they could deal with the idea that, because we can say threat. Well, what the hell does that mean? Well, threat is the category of all threatening things. And so then you can think about threat, and you can think about threat across all those individual instances, and maybe you can figure out how to deal with threat, right? What's the best way to be in the world so that you most effectively deal with threat? Well, that's sort of like, apart from how do you deal with pain, that's sort of like the ultimate question of human beings. Do you want to be terrified? No. So you want to be in danger? No. So like you better figure out how to deal with threat. So first of all, you have to conceptualize it.